Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective way to export your Asana project into Excel. Whether you're organizing your tasks for a big team meeting, want to crunch some numbers, or just need that flexibility only spreadsheets provide, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your Asana data into Excel fast and frustration-free. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into Asana, either in your web browser or through the desktop app. It might sound basic, but sometimes just loading up the right workspace can save you a lot of confusion later. So, double-check you're viewing the Asana account with the project you want to export. If you're working in a team with lots of shared projects, pausing here to get to the right place is worth the few extra seconds. Now, with Asana open, find the project you want to export. You'll see your projects listed either in the sidebar or on your dashboard, depending on how your Asana is set up. Click into the project you want to work with. Imagine you're grabbing a folder off a shelf. You want to make sure you're exporting from the right spot, not accidentally grabbing last month's data. Take a moment to scan the tasks shown and confirm that this is the project you really want. Once you're inside your chosen project, look up at the top, right next to your project's title. You'll notice a small drop-down menu icon. Sometimes it looks like a downward arrow or 3 vertical dots, depending on your version of Asana. Go ahead and click that drop-down. If you're new to Asana, this menu is like a toolbox, packed with useful features you might not use every day but are super handy when you need them. From the drop-down, look for the Export Print option. On some Asana layouts, it might say Export Project or Export Project Tasks. Just keep an eye out for anything mentioning export. Now, when you hover over or click that, you'll see the choice to export as either CSV or XLSX. For exporting to Excel, you'll want XLSX if you want a direct Excel file, or CSV if you need something more universally supported, and don't mind opening and saving it within Excel. If you're unsure, don't stress. Both file types work with Excel. It just depends on whether you prefer having it formatted for Excel straight away. Click on your chosen export format, CSV or XLSX. Asana will download your project's tasks directly to your computer. The download might take a few moments, especially if your project has a lot of tasks or attached information. Don't worry if it's not instant, that just means Asana is packaging everything up for you. Once the download finishes, open the file in Excel. You'll see all your project's tasks laid out in neat columns, task names, assignees, due dates, and more, ready for whatever analysis, sorting, or sharing you need to do. This step really opens up your data. For example, if you want to report on project progress, send updates to clients, or merge with other project files, having it in Excel makes that so much easier. Think of it like taking your notes out of a notebook and arranging them perfectly on a whiteboard. Suddenly, trends and priorities become clearer. And that's it. You've exported your Asana project to Excel, and you're ready to make the most of your project data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions about exporting Asana or working with Excel, drop them in the comments. I always check and love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects.